Hi again, everyone. It's that time of the season. It is time to unbox my FabFitFun box and my add-ons and so forth. This video here is the 2 add-on items I got with my box, plus my mystery home bundle. Every season I'm subscribed to get a mystery home bundle and just a regular mystery bundle, so we'll get into it. First, my 2 add-on items. And here I have an extra NARS lipstick just because I did get one with my regular box, but I wanted an extra because I couldn't decide between 2 shades. They're both really nice neutrals, and I can see these getting a lot of play. I'm just going to toss them into my purses for on the go. Second item, I'm not even sure why I got this, but it's a ring by Kenneth J. Lane. And I think I just got it because it was such a steep discount. It was only like $17 or something, and it was originally almost $180. And I mean, I love jewelry. I love playing around with jewelry. It's kind of a statement ring, and I just thought it would be an interesting find. So here's what it looks like on. It's kind of big and chunky, but it'll be good for a night out. So that was interesting. And those are my 2 items. So I'll just tuck that back away, and then we'll get into the home bundle. I really like the home bundle because it tends to be more useful items. On the mystery bundles, I end up with a lot of skincare that I already have or have some iteration of, so it's kind of nice to have that respite from the skincare and beauty and just have some really nice useful home items. And this is MYS-BU-120. Now this first top item, it is like a sleeper item I didn't know I needed, but now that I have it, I'm kind of obsessed. And I'll just get that open. There's a list on the back. I'm not sure if it shows up on the video or if you can even read it that well. But this little bundle is it. I mean, I wouldn't have ordered it if I would have just seen it on the website. But since it came in my bundle and I opened it and saw what was in there, I'm like super hyped up on it. And I mean, it's small and it's a silly little thing, but I'm on the go a lot, and there's often times that I wish I had one of these items in here and I just don't. So this is so useful, and it's going right in my work bag or my bag that I use just to go around town. And as soon as I get this open, check it out. There's a little scissors, 2 little baby rolls of tape, 2 staplers, stapler remover, pencil sharpener, and extra staples. These are all things I need all the time, and when I'm out and about, obviously I don't have them. So this is just like a great essential item. Now these here, I've actually gotten these in a box before, but they're something I get a lot of use out of, so it's kind of nice to have the extras because they only come in a set of 4. So if I need more for like a cookout or something, it's really nice to have them. And they're these plates, but they're kind of a hybrid between a plate and bowl. They've got really high sides, so it's really nice. So if you have like fruits or berries or something, they don't go rolling off the edge. And I've really gotten a lot of use out of those, so I'm happy to have more. And the last item, I wasn't sure what it was at first. I thought it might just be a small like collapsible storage bin. But once I got into it and got it open, I could see that it was actually a pop-up laundry hamper. And this is really nice because I can see that it'll fit really nicely into the corner of my walk-in closet, and it'll be a perfect place for me to drop my sheets, my bedding, everything like that. It's just the perfect size. So there you have it. That's my FabFitFun add-ons and home bundle for the winter 2023 box. And I'll be back with you real soon to show you the contents of my main box. Until then, take care and have a great weekend.